Hi everyone, welcome to the assembly today. And today is a special assembly because we are going to be recognising Anti-Bullying Week. This week is Anti-Bullying Week, which is being organised by the Anti-Bullying Alliance, and schools up and down the country, primary schools and secondary schools, are all doing things this week to recognise the importance of anti-bullying. So, let's have a look at first what actually is bullying, because if we're going to be anti-bullying, we want to avoid this. And bullying is the repetitive, intentional hurting of one person or group by another person or group. So intentional means they do it on purpose with the aim to hurt someone else, where the relationship between the two people, the two groups, there's an imbalance of power. And this can happen face to face or online. And it's really key. It's not one-off disagreements or incidents that may happen, but actually bullying is where it becomes repetitive, where a person or a group of people continuously do something with the intention of hurting someone, whether that's physically, emotionally, but doing something that will hurt the other person repetitively. And Anti-Bullying Week is really important because this is something that not only us here at Elaine, but all schools are really trying to stop. Now, obviously, if there is something that we do see in our school, not just this week, but future, there's lots of people in the school that can help us. That could be your teacher or any adults in your classroom. You can report any concerns you have to them. We have a pastoral team, Miss Griffiths, Miss B, who can also help, who are there to listen and work with you if there are any concerns, if you do know something that's not right. You have Miss Marsh, who can help you, who is there with her door open, who you can go chat to. You got myself, you got Miss Lichty, you got Mr. Brewer, you got Miss Dunlop. You got lots of different adults in the school that you can go and report concerns or anything you want to discuss. As I said, Anti-Bullying Week is being organised by the Anti-Bullying Alliance, and the theme this year is one kind word. We're going to watch the video, and after we watch the video, I want to ask you to pause this assembly, and I want you to think about what is the message of this film, of this video. What's the message behind it?
3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
If you do just one thing today,
choose to be kind in what you say.
Our words and actions set us free.
Speak with respect. You'll quickly see.
Friendship is what we will find.
We are what we choose, so let's be kind.
If you try just one thing new,
show respect with what you do.
Coda exercise.
Make a mark. Lift your words up, ignite the spark.
Start the chain of kinder acts. Step out of line
and don't look back.
If you share just one thing today,
make it a smile.
Lead the way.
Spread the word. What will it be?
3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
Small actions help the world to see.
We can bring bullying to an end.
Think before you click, like, share or send.
If you notice someone causing pain, how you act can be the change.
However, we can share and show.
छोटी चीज़ें दुनिया को लेट करते मालूम होने के लिए.
One small gesture, thought or voice, each of us can make a choice.
Raise your voice, tell the world. Join us in saying one kind word.
Inspire others to follow your lead. One kind word is all you need.
If you do just one thing today,
choose one kind word.
What could you say?
So, I want you to think, what is the message behind that film? I would like you to pause and have a discussion. Okay, so one kind word is something we can do. If you notice something which make you feel uncomfortable, even if the hurt is not happening to you directly, but if you do not feel comfortable, what you do can be the change. So, how you respond, whether that's informing an adult, asking people to stop, they are the good things that can try and help solve the situation. But if you ignore it, or if you pretend you can't see it, or if you know something's happening but you don't tell someone so other people are aware, then you become what's known as implicit. And what that means is you may not actually be doing the harmful things, but because you're not helping when you know something about it, you are almost just as bad or just as much to blame because you're not helping to stop it. So this theme is all around saying one kind word. So I want you to think of a film or a TV program where kindness has saved the day. And I want you to share some of your ideas. Now, there are some examples. So, for example, you could think of the film Matilda or the book Matilda, when Matilda and the other children had to cheer on Brucey in the dining hall when he had to eat that cake for Mrs. Trunchbull. Everyone, despite Mrs. Trunchbull being horrible to him and forcing him to do something which he didn't want to do, everyone rallied round and supported him and cheered for him. You could think about how people were supporting each other during COVID and how they were kind to each other. You could think about Harry Potter, how Ron, Hermione, and Harry all support each other through their different adventures, supported each other when they faced difficulties or when they got hurt. They were there for each other and supported each other. Or anyone who reads any of the books with the Brownlee brothers, when Alistair Brownlee helped Johnny Brownlee on the finishing line for the World Series final. So there's lots of things. I want you now to have a discussion. Where have you seen kindness and how has kindness saved the day in those situations? Pause this video and have a discussion. So hopefully you've discussed lots of different ways or you found different examples where kindness has really helped to save the day and working together, being there for each other has been beneficial. Now what we want to have a look at is, can we start a chain reaction or ripple effect of kindness in our school? So let's define what that means. What is a ripple effect? A ripple effect is the continuing and spreading results of an event or an action that we do. So we do something and the ripple effect is it keeps having an impact. There's lots of things that happen. A chain reaction is like a chemical reaction in which once we have a product, then other things from there are promoted or it spreads and more things happen. Now we want to create a chain reaction of kindness at Elaine. We can ask each person in our school community, our adults, our parents and carers, you guys, the children, to do at least 3 kind things this week to help start this chain reaction. And that's what we're going to be asking everyone to do. So I want you now, I'm going to just pause this video for about a minute or two. We're going to ask everyone to do 3 kind things this week. It could be something you say, something you do, and we want it to happen in school so we can start this chain reaction. So I want you to pause this video and I want you to have a discussion. What are you going to do to start that ripple effect of kindness? Okay, thank you everyone. So now that we come back, you can now see that hopefully this week we will see lots of examples of kindness, whether that's through one kind word, someone saying something nicely, or through our actions, supporting one another, making sure that we don't get into arguments, supporting someone else when they're in trouble. 3 acts of kindness from everyone. Now, we're going to be part of Anti-Bullying Week, so as well as this assembly, there's going to be 2 things we're going to be doing. 1, we're going to be starting that chain reaction of kindness. So everyone over this week, 3 acts of kindness and a kind word. Have a think about what you're going to do. And later on this week, each class is going to do another activity relating to Anti-Bullying Week. But I want you all now to have a think as we finish this assembly. Why is it important, anti-bullying? Why is it important to be kind? And how are you going to showcase that this week? And how can we make sure it lasts for even longer? So hopefully I'll see lots of you doing lots of different things over this week and beyond. Kind things. Okay, have a great day, everyone. Bye.